Come test drive the 2019 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.